How to install ICE mining app. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be discussing about how to install ICE mining app. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store or App Store and just search in for ICE mining, or you can also actually search in for ICE Network. You should see something like this. So just tap on that particular application and just click on install. And based on your internet connection, it should be automatically installed. So once it's installed, you can just head over to this login or sign up page. So if you haven't already created an account, you can just tap in sign up button to actually sign up with your email address, or you can also sign up with your phone number as well as your Google account or Twitter account. So once you do all of that, you might as well need a nickname. So just choose your nickname wisely and just click on next step. And once you follow all of the on-screen instructions, you will be getting to a home screen and you can start using the ICE mining app just like that. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.